All right, it's 4:40 p.m. Wow, check that out. Snow on top of that. That looks pretty cool, actually. Anyway, I was going through my comments and somebody mentioned about the humming sound. And literally right when I was reading the comment, I heard humming out here. But now, of course, it's gone. I can barely hear it in the background. You probably won't be able to hear it. But it was loud just literally a minute ago. I will pause this video and see if it comes back. But check this snow out on this edge. Wow, it's just hanging down. That's crazy. But anyway, I'll wait for a minute to see if this humming comes back. Usually this is only the second time I've heard it during the day. You can barely hear it. All right, hold on. I heard it a little bit. There. It's very faint. Now the wind's covering it up. There. Can you hear it? It's a little bit louder. To me, it's like coming from that area. X marks the spot, by the way. We're supposed to get down to -7 degrees with the wind chill tonight. It's supposed to be windy again. Before they had us getting down to just 3 degrees, but now it's -7. I lost more storage just from the time I did the last video. And the last video I deleted out, so I'd have it back, but now I lost it again. I'm going to pause it again and just wait a few minutes to see if it comes back. The humming noise. It's like every time I started, I heard it really loud for just like, there. Can you hear it now? Wind ain't helping. There. Thanks a lot, truck. It's like coming and going, though. Now I don't hear it again. Maybe if you had headphones, you might be able to hear it a little easier. All right, hold on. I just went out at 4:48, so I literally, so the whole time I've been pausing, but now it's 4:48. The last sounds you heard literally seconds before I showed this was 4:48. All right, it's 4:52 p.m. now. Now I'm hearing a different humming sound, a higher pitched one. It's really faint though. Not sure you're gonna be able to hear it. I'm giving up though. Maybe if the humming sound comes back again later, I'll do another video. It's been happening like every night for the last 3 or 4 nights. There's a humming noise. It sounds like it's in between. All right, forget it. Thanks for watching. God bless.